If you're looking to buy or sell a home, you know you have to call those Callaways because they are the perfect people to get you into your fantastic dream home. And as always, we have Kelly Callaway to tell us about another dream home.
Hi, Tiffany. I have an incredible home. This is a total custom build in the middle of a cul-de-sac with a north-south exposure on a large lot. Views for days. Really? But this home's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath with 2,126 square feet, 3-car garage with storage room and side entry. It has a laundry room that's to die for with room for a craft room in there. The rooms are large, 12-foot ceilings throughout. The master suite on this is absolutely the best I have ever seen.
Really?
It has its own huge sitting room, a large master, gorgeous bathroom. It has a parlor outside of the master bedroom, huge dining room. This house has everything, and if you want to entertain, the rooms on it are absolutely huge. So you've got room to do anything you want, big kitchen island, lots of sliders out to the patio and pool area.
Oh, nice.
Views for days. The 2 bedrooms upstairs have a Jack and Jill bathroom with them, with a loft area and a slider that goes out onto an entertainment stack. This home has it all.
It sounds like it. And what kind of price are we looking at?
This is $1,599,000.
Okay.
For over 6,000 square feet. In Scottsdale.
Wow, that's insane.
It is.
All right, well, everybody needs to check that one out. And if that's not the one for them, I know you're going to get them in their perfect home.
We would love to.
Thank you.
Thank you.